Assalamualaikum. So for this video I am using Aquafina watercolor paper. So I have a 4.5 by 6 inch sheet. I drew a 1.5 inch long and 2.5 inch in width box in the center of paper and wrote a rough draft of calligraphic words I am using in the box. For details, I used Snowman waterproof drawing pen and wrote the words neatly with details. If you do not have a waterproof pen, don't worry, you can do it after painting the background. I use Palikan watercolors. They are very pigmented and easy to work with. And for brushes, I use Alberto round brushes. They are also very good. And for this painting, I am using brush number 9 and 10, and also a gold poster color and some gold dust I found in an art store. I always use two water containers, and for this painting background, I am using turquoise blue and green blue. And the reason I always use two water containers is that during painting the water becomes so dirty that the residue is left in the brush and it can wind up your painting. So I clean my brush in one container and then dip it in second to clean the left residue, because if you are working with light colors it can get very hectic and destroy all your work. So it's also a tip that when you are using watercolors, always use two containers. And yeah, let's work on this painting. For more work, you can check my Instagram and Facebook. The links are in description, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.